Okay, guys, there's the finished product. Look how beautiful. Okay, we're gonna dip some up. Mo's gonna try it, and Dusty's gonna try it, and Gaga gonna try it. Okay, now let me get this over here. I'll come right back and get you. There, Mama, get up there to yours.
Mama, it's right here. Let's try.
Okay. All right, guys. Now
You don't want it?
we've got.
Might be wilder.
Okay. Well, we ain't talking about that.
It's
right
okay.
now.
Oh, I didn't know he was live. Okay, sorry. I see now. Sorry, guys. I'm trying something.
Let's try it. Let's try it.
Okay, guys. Oh,
Go back. Look.
Where's mine?
there's your.
There's yours.
You're not going to use yours?
You better be nice. Mo. Okay, and it's gonna be very hot.
You gotta blow it.
I'll use
Got
it
blow
then.
it. Can I get it on there for you?
Got my potato.
No, I won't either because I can't.
Mmm,
You gotta eat it.
that's pretty good.
Look.
You done eat a bite of it?
My potato.
Mom's got a mouth to steal.
I do too. I can eat stuff hot. Oh, you gotta blow it. Oh, you want me to eat it?
I'm gonna try it all together now.
Well, they can't see you.
I showed them like that.
They can't see you.
Let me come around.
Oh,
Okay,
you
but
like it, Mama?
you're not.
You like it? You like it?
Hot. It made very good.
I like it. Is it good, Mama? Tell them.
Thumbs up.
It has a very...
It smells like the
That's good.
stuff you put on salad.
Kind of like a lemon peppery taste.
Ain't no lemon pepper in it unless that's in the garlic parmesan.
That's pretty good.
Here, this is yours. I blowed it for you.
Yeah,
This is
that's
yours. I can't eat it. I want to try it. My mouth's so sore right now. I can't be biting.
Okay, cook it again, guys. I would come in at halfway and stir it. I would stir it, the chicken in with the potatoes.
We need somebody to go get our cup out of the car.
She's doing something.
Mmm.
I wanted my orange cup. No.
Yeah, that's good. Here, this is what you do.
Very good.
Okay, guys.
It's easy. Open up.
Here's my plate all just deconstructed, kind of. It's good. It has just a touch, though. Doesn't it have just a touch of hot?
Uh-huh.
It has a touch of hot.
Oh my God.
I'm assuming it's the hot peppers probably in the garlic parmesan.
Huh?
That's what I'm thinking. But anyhow, it's good.
Do not be pushing stuff in.
All right. Be nice.
What is she pushing?
We're going to jump off here.